guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about the Dior Jordan collab. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too, so head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. So on the 3rd of December, we saw the first pictures of the Dior Jordan Air Jordan 1s, okay? They look truly glorious. These were shown on the Dior Men's Pre-Fall 2020 runway. The fashion world is shook, okay? We're shook, we're loving it. Especially just after Prada and Adidas did a collab recently. I don't know if you know of it. It was a waste of everyone's time and true laziness. So this was wonderfully refreshing to see just after that announcement. Everything I know about this collab will be in this video. If there are any updates, because I am keeping all my feelers out, I will be updating the description box below, so go there for any updated info. I also do want to start this off by saying I am not a hypebeast sneakerhead. I can't tell you the ins and outs of a Nike Air Max or a sodding Stan Smith, okay? But I'm a luxury addict. I know my stuff when it comes to luxury items, and so I am taking this on from a Dior fan angle and less of like a Air Jordan fan angle, okay? If that makes sense. These amazing high tops, they are in a white with this amazing grey, the Dior oblique print in blue on the Nike swoosh. You have got the Dior oblique print in a cream, very subtly on the tongue. On the soles of the sneakers, you have Air Dior. The release is looking to be April 2020, but some select Dior stores are taking names down and sizes. Personally, as soon as I saw these, I got in touch with my SA. According to my personal SA, who works at the Bond Street store here in London, he said that they are going to be coming out with women's sizes. Then he asked if I wanted my name to be put down and my size. So I said yes, because I need these. If you are really interested in these, I really think your best bet is going to be going in through the Dior door. Go in there. If you have an SA, get in contact ASAP and get your name down on a waiting list. It seems as though worldwide different stores are approaching this differently. Personally, this is just my experience. I expect this to be very, very limited, one per customer or whatever, to avoid resellers. Already, with them not even being released or whatever, some rather shady characters are listing these on websites for sale. Resellers and all of that are a whole other thing, because I feel like you're ruining everyone else's chances, but whatever. Obviously, there are a lot of rumors surrounding this collaboration. So those rumors include the fact that there will be only 1,000 pairs of the high tops. There are rumors that there will be low tops and they will have an even more limited amount. There are rumors that there will also be kind of some clothing pieces slash accessories, so like the socks in this picture. Again, if anything is confirmed, I will put that in the description box below. Now, the price. Everyone is talking about this $2,000 figure. Nothing price-wise has been confirmed, but the one kind of definitive figure I saw was that it's going to retail for 1,800 euros, which comes in just over $2,000 and 1,500 pounds. They look great. I love the colouring. What's not to like? What is not to like? In my mind, I know that this is a lot of money, but I think that this is such a great purchase for somebody who appreciates luxury, is into luxury like that, loves all these like kind of little luxury, limited edition, weird little moments and monumental moments in fashion history. I'm that kind of person. We know that this is limited. We know that this is going to be an Olympic sport to get your hands on. And let me tell you, a bitch is practicing. I am up at 5 AM every day doing my runs for these trainers, okay? I'm going to be doing whatever I can within my power to get these. But where I draw the line is I'm not going to be buying anything resale. I'm not going to be paying above the already ginormous cost that these will probably be listed for. Guys, let me know in the comments if you're interested in these. If you are looking to get these, what you think of them, let me know. I'm going to link to another video here in case, I don't know, we're kind of vibing and you're quite enjoying how this first date went and you'd quite like to roll it into a second date. Let's have a second date over here. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.